Everyone loves a bargain. I admit it, I do too. But sometimes choosing the cheapest option can just cost you more later on. When it comes to remodeling, especially in our specialties, which are the bathroom and windows, cheap also means thin. It means flimsy, short-lived, and you will be replacing it again. So that is something that we take very seriously. We only use high quality products. That's all you want in your home. If you're wanting to retain your home's value and not have to remodel more than once, you're going to want to make sure you pick materials that are quality. So that's the first thing. It will cost you more later on if you get the cheapest option in materials. When it comes to labor, that's another thing. Cheaper bids often mean untrained crews. They cut corners. You end up with sloppy installs and bigger repair bills because someone who didn't know what they were doing waterproofed for you. And when it comes to water, you don't want to mess around. If someone who does not know what they're doing waterproofs your shower or seals your windows, you're just going to have to redo it again. So labor, cutting costs on labor can really bite you there. Warranty, read the fine print. Sometimes lifetime doesn't mean what you think it is. So you want to make sure you understand the warranty that comes with your product and what your recourse is should something happen. So cheap up front usually means expensive long term. Buy cheap, buy twice.